Got another box in the mail. This one says Open Gate Quilts. This is also project based, and it comes out monthly. The link for this will be below if that's something that you want to look into. But let's open the box. First thing I see is this. Project 1 is called Midnight in Paris. It includes the fabric for top and binding featuring Midnight Lace by Paula Barnes for Marcus Fabrics. Full color pattern and picture. Well. Oh, I love these colors. You see them? We're going to look at it individually, but here's a picture of the pattern that this will make. And 24 by 24, so it could be a wall hanging or a small quilt. Very pretty. So she curates these boxes and she cuts them and packages them. They look so pretty. All right, project number 2 is Eyeglass Case. I see a button and different fabric. Here's our pattern. Let's see what this says. That includes fabric for inside and outside of case. Project number 2 is Eyeglass Case. Has fusible fleece and coordinating elastic button, full color pattern, and the fabric for both inside and outside. But you can see all the fabric. They're little glasses. So we got the blue, pink, and the blue. I'm not sure how many pieces, but it'll be enough to do what we need. But here's the little outline of the finished project. Very cute. Okay, it just says if you prefer blue, just reverse the colors to make the blue case. So I'm guessing there's equal amounts of fabric in both colors. Just one will be the inside, one's the outside. You can decide which way you want to make that. Very cute. Okay, we're gonna come back to this fabric, don't forget. Don't worry, I did not forget. Okay, we have a notion of the month. It is a notepad featuring leather and lace by Amazing Grace. Here is the notepad. Isn't that cute? It's to support Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And it's got the little magnetic closure, and very pretty. Very, very pretty. We also get Aurifil thread, this really pretty taupey, not taupe, kind of a tan color. We also get a new fat quarter that I can't wait to open this up. I want to see what they are. It has a lot of words on it. This is by the same gal that made the fabric that's being used in the glass holder and, or some, yeah, for the eyeglasses. And these look like bookmarks, so they are the same line. Look how cute. So that's the fat quarter I got. I don't know if we all get the same one, but I'm gonna guess it'll probably be from the same line anyway. All right, so new fat quarter stash buster add-on. She's letting you know that we are adding fat quarter stash busters to our subscription box. For an additional $12, you receive 4 coordinating fat quarters and a fat quarter pattern. They also have Zoom classes for people who are subscribers with the projects, and that's it. So this was a cute little box. We haven't opened this yet. I'm liking this box a lot too. I say too because I just opened another one. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, look at that. Looks like it's all one line. Oh, this looks grungy. It might be grunge. I don't have enough on there, but it is Moda. Nice base fabric. Midnight lace. And then here is the last piece. Hopefully the glare is not on there so I can get you to see what this quilt looks like with all those fabrics. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. And it was so packaged so pretty, which I'll put back together, I think. All right, we have color instructions. Nice and easy to read. And that's beautiful. I like everything about this box, this pattern, this fabric line. I want to show you what the small project for last month looked like. This is October. Look how cute that is. So we've got rickrack, and anyway, there we go. I've got that one done. I've also done the small project for November, and you can see I chose to have the blue on the outside, and then I lost my button, but I just found it. But that's okay, I found a different button. So my button is different because I had misplaced it for a minute. But this is the eyeglass case. So what I've got here are these two projects for October and November. Just thought I'd show you how they finished up for me. Okay, that's it. If you want to sign up for this, sometimes I have a waiting list, so the link will be below. You can look into it, and if there's a wait list, I'll let you know, or you just have to keep checking back. I'm not sure how that worked. When I first looked into it, they were not available. The second time I looked into it, I got right in. So there's subscribers coming and going, so don't give up if it's something you're interested in, but use the link below to get to it. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed this opening of the subscription box for the Open Gate Quilt box. That's it for our box. Thanks. Have a great day.